Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Chamili Devi Institute of Pharmacy. In today's session, we are going to learn about construction of an autoclave. Autoclave is one of the most important instruments used for the moist heat sterilization. It is very much similar from the construction point of view with the normal household pressure cooker. The principle of an autoclave is by applying the pressure and destruction of cell wall of microorganisms as well as the coagulating of the protein inside it.
Now let us see the parts of an autoclave. Here is a power generator. This power cable simply generates the power. The power converts the water into vaporized form. This is the handle of an autoclave. This handle is simply used to carry the autoclave from one place to another place. Now on the top of the autoclave you can see various units. This is the pressure valve. This pressure valve indicates the pressure inside of an autoclave. As we know that the basic principle or efficacy of an autoclave depends on the pressure only for sterilization purpose. This is the vent or the pressure or the whistle, same as the home cooker. Now this is the safety valve. This safety valve regulates the pressure or it prevents the destruction, and this is the screw. You can remove this to remove the vapors inside the autoclave, and you can re-screw it or you can retight it by rotating it towards the left hand side. You can see there are various parts or there are various pairs of screws on an autoclave. These screws there is a rubber gong between the lid and the body of an autoclave. This rubber gong creates the vacuum inside the autoclave, and this vacuum maintains and regulates the pressure inside of an autoclave. Now let us see and have an inside view of an autoclave. Inside the autoclave you can see that there is a tray. This tray is used to keep the material or the things whatever you want to wish to sterilize. Then another two components you can see inside the autoclave. One is the tripod stand and another is the heater. This tripod stand has two things. The first, what it does, it is used to maintain a safe distance between the autoclave and the tray. And second, what the tray does is it gives the level of an water. And heater, this simply gives the temperature or whatever pressure you want to maintain inside the autoclave. Okay, so one thing what you need to make in mind that whenever you close the autoclave, make sure that the lid of the autoclave is properly adjusted. Then only you have to screw the autoclave lid. Whenever you perform any practical or before starting any practical, make sure that you always once again before switching on your autoclave, you check all the parameters. You check the pressure valve, you check the vent or whistle, you check the safety valve. The safety valve is there for the prevention of destruction. Hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching.